like the trees don't have to be in a line exactly, but we will need to kind of follow that general plan, basically.
What's the spacing?
It'll be 2 feet between the willows. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the willow and then move out from there.
Okay.
Yeah. And so, there's basically, I mean, planting trees is pretty straightforward, but there's 6 basic mistakes that can be made. And I've got a handout here that we can just pass around that kind of lists. You guys want to pass those that way? And you guys want to pass those that way? That kind of lists the basic 6 planting mistakes. So the first one is that there's air pockets around the roots. The roots have to be in contact with the soil in order to take up the nutrients and to take up the water. So what we want to do is make sure that we get the soil camped in around the roots. A few other mistakes that can be made is that the roots are too shallow, you know what I mean? So that the tree is actually sticking out and then those top set of roots will die. Alternatively, you can also plant too deeply. Because if, let me grab a plant out here. We can grab a good one, they're all tied together. This is what our plants look like. So if you plant too deeply, if you plant up to like right here, then the trunk can actually get wet and it'll rot. Other mistakes that can be made is that the tree just gets like shoved in the ground and the roots go at an angle like this, called a gingy, and that makes the roots die basically. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to dig a deep enough hole that the roots can go in a straight line down. We want to tap it in and then we want to just, make sure it's safe. And then what we'll be doing is we're going to be cutting these bamboo stakes. We'll cut them in thirds, and then you'll stick one in the ground on each side of the tree. And then what we'll do is we're going to put these plastic guards around to kind of protect.
Oh
my God! Oh no, Tammy!
Oh, geez.